This is the Xarcadia's Google Doc, an editor-only Unity package that pulls public Google Docs into your project as clean Markdown files. It's also a Markdown viewer, so there's no API keys needed, no OAuth, and dependencies. You just add your document's URL to your project, and the package handles the rest. I can handle downloading the document, image extraction, rendering, and auto syncing when your editor loads up. It's under a MIT license, so free to use and all that good things that come with that. You can check out the full README, but let's just kind of jump right into the product page itself. So if you go, there's a site here. You click on it. It gives a much better overview. So this product page itself is built with the same themes as the package. So I can go from dark to Nord to Paperlight. And these are the same things you'll get in Unity as well. So sorry for the flashbang, but we'll set it back to dark here. So there's auto syncing with the engine, image extraction, and a lot of this is for the agent blindness. So if you have a Google Doc that you maintain or are working on and enjoy the flexibility of using Google Docs for your documentation, this allows those docs to easily sync inside your Unity project and to be viewed in an easy to use way. So let's jump to the Unity page now and just kind of show what it looks like in the editor. So if you go to Xarcadia Google Doc Markdown and hit Settings, this is where you just paste your Google Doc URLs. So we add source, go back to our doc, and then right in the middle of the URL, here's your key for the doc. So as long as you have sharing enabled and the doc is public, you can just paste that sharing key and hit pull, and it'll download that doc for you into your project, as well as any images that might come with it. So you can view here, or you can select the Markdown file and just hit view as Markdown in the inspector. This also works for any Markdown files in your project, which has some other cool parts that come with that. So here you can see is an overview of the Survivor Protocol project that I'm working on here. I can open up the little side panel and I can actually look at all the Markdown files across my project. I can go through an outline of my Markdown file, as well as see some other Markdown files I've recently viewed. I can go down to all files, and it shows a project panel view, but just for Markdown files. So if there's Markdown files in my project, I can easily find them and select them and view them. I can also view Markdown files within packages, which is really helpful for any Unity packages that you're tracking. Let's say I want to look at the Unity XRs, hand tracking. I can see its changelog here and easily view this. You can also right-click things and hit pin, and that's going to pin it up here for easy viewing in the future. And as mentioned, you've got your different themes here. You can resize your panel, and this supports all types of different features of Markdown. All the way to linking. You can open up web links and images if there are images in the document. So look at the project runtime, you can see the images here. So to install this, you just go to your package manager, hit add, install package from git URL, and you go over to the git, and you go to code, and there's your git URL right here. You just copy this to your clipboard, install and paste it in. And automatically, anytime you select a text asset that's a Markdown file, you can see the view Markdown. So even if you don't use the Google Drive syncing at all, you can at least have this pretty robust Markdown viewer in your projects. Yeah, so let me know what you think. I hope this helps someone out.